So if anything needs to be customized, that's what we do here. We can build and customize anything. We design in-house, we fab in-house. The same thing goes with the hydraulics. We can design and set up a whole system however you want it. We've got multiple applications out there that we can do all kinds of cool stuff with. We got an idea for building a hydraulic power pack through a buddy of mine, Peyton. He wanted to be able to mulch with his John Deere tractor. And I said, okay, that's fine. Did some Googling to see if there was anything out there that he could use, and I couldn't find any capabilities of what he wanted to do as far as running a mulching head on the tractor equipment. So we sat down and started looking at what the mulching head had needed, which is it needed basically 100 horsepower worth of hydraulics. It needed about 35 gallons a minute and capable of about 6,000 psi total. So we just went back to the drawing board and designed a multiplier that would do exactly what we needed to do. So we targeted anything the tractor already uses or already has, hook this back up to the back of the tractor, and take off with it. The fan and cooling system is all packaged together. Very simple. It's got a little protection built in, so if it does overheat or gets close to overheating, it has a limit switch that it trips it, and it will turn the whole system off. We wanted it very simple, not complex. You literally hand them 3 hoses that they're X amount of feet long that for sure would reach the front of anybody's piece of equipment. They can temporarily install them with zip ties if they would like. If a customer buys one, we can install it where it's permanent. And the hoses are nicely ran and protected and so on and so forth.